Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to remove gel polish at home without damaging your nails. So let's get started. First, cut some pieces of aluminum foil, making sure they are big enough to wrap around a cotton ball and your finger. Then grab a coarse nail file or buffer and gently file down the top layer of polish. Now use some cuticle oil and saturate the cuticles and surrounding skin. This will help protect the skin from the acetone since it's very drying. Next, soak a cotton ball with 100% pure acetone and place it on top of your nail. Then take your aluminum foil piece and wrap it around your fingertips. I like to make it a little snug and make sure to fold the tip. You can also soak your nails in a bowl of acetone, but I prefer doing the foil method or using something like these Soakies from Mitty or Manicure clips from Bliss. I'll be sure to link everything in the description below. Now let your nails soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you reach that mark, you can take a peek and see if the polish has flaked off well. If it's still pretty stuck to the nail, soak for 5 more minutes, then check again. When removing the foil, I like to apply a little pressure and gently twist. This will help loosen the polish a bit more. The gel should be flaking off a lot, and any pieces still stuck will pop off easily by gently using a wooden stick. Once I've removed the polish, I'm going to wipe the nails with acetone to clean off the gel flakes. Finally, I'll be going in again with a generous amount of cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails and cuticles. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!